Welcome to our comprehensive exploration into the world of artificial intelligence, AI, the future and its dangers. This isn't just another tech video. We are embarking on a journey to understand a technology that's reshaping our reality and possibly our future. From Siri on our iPhones to self-driving cars, AI is seeping into every corner of our lives, making it more efficient and exciting. Yet, it's not all roses. With every technological leap comes a set of challenges, and AI is no exception. In this video, we will delve into the advancements that AI has made, the potential it holds, and the risks it poses. We'll also take a glimpse into the future, exploring how AI might change our world and what threats we might need to prepare for. So, fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the fascinating, complex, and sometimes daunting world of artificial intelligence. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence has evolved to such an extent that it's almost indistinguishable from human intelligence. Sounds exciting, or does it instill a sense of unease? This isn't a plot from a science fiction movie, but a reality that's gradually unfolding before us. We're witnessing advancements in AI that are reshaping the landscape of possibilities. Machine learning algorithms are becoming more sophisticated, natural language processing is getting closer to human-like understanding, and computer vision is transforming the way machines perceive the world around them. These innovations have the potential to revolutionize sectors from healthcare to transportation, making our lives more efficient and convenient. But as we stand on the cusp of this AI dawn, it's essential to consider the shadows it may cast. There are ethical implications to ponder upon, privacy and bias, to name a few. As AI systems learn and evolve, they could potentially infringe on our privacy or perpetuate societal biases, hindering its widespread adoption. And let's not forget the geopolitical implications. A competitive AI arms race between superpower nations could destabilize global harmony. The future of AI is indeed promising, but with its potential come certain risks that we must prepare for. Over 1,000 tech leaders and researchers recently signed an open letter, raising their concerns about the profound risks AI technologies pose to society and humanity. But what exactly are these risks? Well, let's delve a little deeper. The open letter, which now has over 27,000 signatures, represents a growing concern among experts. The most immediate worry revolves around the potential harm caused by AI systems like GPT-4, a powerful language generation model. These models are part of a larger group of AI technologies known as neural networks, which learn from vast amounts of data and generate information independently. However, this independence comes with its own set of challenges. Neural networks can produce untruthful, biased, and even toxic information, which can be problematic, to say the least. For instance, imagine a world where your AI assistant, trained on these neural networks, starts spewing out misinformation or biased views. Not ideal, right? This is why the experts are calling for a halt in development to better understand and address these risks. But understanding these risks isn't a walk in the park. As these systems become more powerful, they become more complex, and new risks arise. Researchers are working tirelessly to address these issues, but it's like trying to hit a moving target. The more you understand, the more there is to understand. And as the power of these AI systems grows, so does the urgency to understand and manage their potential risks. The experts aren't just concerned about the present, they're looking ahead. They're worried about the future implications of these powerful AI systems. The potential for misuse and the spreading of disinformation is a very real concern. In a world where we increasingly rely on AI for information, the ability to distinguish truth from fiction becomes paramount. The risks are real, and as we tread forward, it becomes increasingly important to manage them. The future of AI holds immense promise, but it's a promise that comes with a warning label. As we continue to unravel the potential of AI, we must also strive to understand and mitigate the risks it presents. Because at the end of the day, the goal isn't just to build powerful AI systems, but to build AI that can benefit us all without causing harm. As AI evolves, the risks become more tangible. Let's delve into the potential future dangers of AI. In the short term, AI's power to generate convincing narratives presents a real and immediate risk. Imagine a world where AI systems are used to create disinformation, making it increasingly challenging to distinguish truth from fiction. We've already seen glimpses of this with AI-powered disinformation machines capable of crafting highly convincing yet entirely false news articles. The potential for such technology to distort public discourse, manipulate perceptions, and sow discord is unnervingly high. Shifting our gaze to the medium term, we find another pressing concern: job loss. With AI systems becoming more adept at performing complex tasks, the threat of widespread job displacement looms large. Some experts even predict that AI could potentially impact up to 80% of the US workforce. While certain roles may be more at risk than others, the overall effect on the job market, and by extension, on people's livelihoods, could be significant. But it's the long-term risks of AI that truly capture the imagination and stoke fears. The potential for a loss of control over these powerful systems is a concern that keeps many AI researchers awake at night. As AI models become more powerful and autonomous, the possibility, however remote, of them slipping beyond our control becomes more real. This could result in an AI system acting in ways that weren't intended, with potentially catastrophic consequences. It's a scenario often played out in science fiction, but one that some experts argue isn't entirely the realm of fantasy. The future of AI is indeed a mixed bag of unprecedented opportunities and profound challenges. As we steer towards this future, it is imperative that we do so with caution, responsibility, and a deep understanding of the potential risks involved. As we've journeyed through the world of AI, we've seen the dawn of its existence, the unveiling of its risks, and peered into the potential future threats. It's clear that the path ahead is uncertain, filled with both unprecedented opportunities and profound challenges. The key to navigating this landscape lies in our ability to balance the pursuit of technological advancement with the preservation of our shared values and humanity. We must continue to question, to learn, and to adapt. We must strive to use AI as a tool, not a master, harnessing its potential while mitigating its risks. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. As we continue to explore the world of AI, we invite you to join the conversation. What are your thoughts on the future of AI? How do you believe we can best navigate the challenges and opportunities it presents? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of AI. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay informed about future developments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly post informative and insightful content just like this, and your support helps us continue our mission to educate and inspire. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It helps us reach more people and spread important knowledge about the ever-changing world of AI. And to ensure you never miss an update, click the notification bell. Your engagement fuels our passion for exploring and understanding the complex world of technology. Thank you for your support. As always, stay curious, stay informed.